Hello everyone, welcome to D365 Learn and Share. In this video, today I'm going to show you how we can enable the legacy navigation bar in D365. Through this navigation bar, it is very easy to find where we are and which module we have open right now. So currently we have a search option here, search for a page or something, so we can search it here, but we don't have any navigation bar like this one. If you see that transportation management and setup, so we are going to enable that one. So for that one, you have to go to system administration module. Hopefully you must have this system administration module with you, then only you can do it. Mostly the IT team have this one. So you will go there, then go to setups, then there is a client performance option. So there you will see that enable legacy navigation bar. So this is the one. So we will enable it and go to press OK. So now what we're gonna do is we will refresh the page. So let's see. Have you noticed that our top page, the bar color is dark now, and the search option moved to the corner. So let's see if it is enabled properly or not. So let's go to accounts payable or purchase orders. Yes, we have done it. So accounts payable, purchase order, all purchase order. So this is the page where we are currently. So that's it. So for more tips.